Welcome to Finding the Voices. Right now we are in Imphal and I am with Sir Jodha Chandra Sanasam and I am actually quite nervous.
Why?
I have been waiting to meet him and I have been reading the translation of Mathou and it's such a great honor
Thank you
for
so
you
much.
to come here.
My
And
pleasure.
So welcome to our show and I want to introduce a little bit about myself.
Sure. I would love to listen.
Yeah, so I am based in US right now. By profession, I am a computer science engineer and I'm working in the healthcare IT industry in Washington, D.C.
Oh, great.
But as a passion, for the last 5 years, I have been doing this podcasting. And a lot of people, we have featured like many people and I have been trying to get you on the show and luckily today you're here. So what?
Good job. Very good job.
So what we want to know and I think we want to hear is your story about your life, about how you got inspired to translate Mathou and it's such a huge volume and your experience in writing that.
Maite ronno dum.
Oh yeah.
Maramar English radam hai apas. I see literature ji khara dum angaw nge de pagal lab. Koi brother han. He was a big collector of books.
Okay.
Just like a library, but I don't know whether he really read himself or not. But my sister, who is married, who got married here at Chaya, she was a voracious reader. Adama luhongra matungda tarnje ayam ta hawdan speaking the Manipuri literature gi drama matamda drama se yamna popular drama la mainu pemcha gumba dagi kana gi kare khuyol hawi wari aduda morang kana gi kanglai role hai morang kanglai role drama maya sum pisaping de par ko aduna most of the great writers of Manipur of those days I got acquainted since my childhood days.
Childhood se class kya mukta ki parai?
Class 5-6.
Oh wow. Oh, so young. And you were exposed to literature at that time.
By class 7-8 I think I started writing lyrics even.
Oh, okay.
But we had a coterie of funny brothers, cousins, and they used to laugh at me. You want to be writer? So interested some medical science. Fagi dagi secretary changa application thajalu dagi hitakal Dr. Biren Chongi Biren ko classmate Ivan and Changuri secretary adari khalak dan tamba adai adum the DM college PUC science ta khoi college magazine gi article thagalo na ha kan is some short story ma thajal da is competition to ni ga khang de I second ta lag poi wa matam de khoi PUC gi anga na literature gi awards gi except two ladies anima loina doctor or Dr. Nandini matam de BSc ni she got third place in poetry writing and another was Dr. Kadimai ko Tamo Chandran Logo Mundo Mana she was second and my own classmate won Sri Biren we call him. He put the word Sri in front of his name and he got the first place in poetry writing. And I told him some interested in Dibrugarh does more English study Dibrugarh I write X-ray essays sometimes poetry and I used to get about second, third places sometimes. But never number one.
Never number one. But what was your focus and interest at the ED, the Kari theme, the even?
Obviously, short story today about the growth of a young man, how he became. He was little bit very self-conscious man psychologically. He could not be friendly among his friends, and he kept himself alone. But after some time, he went to the Navy. Then he became very, very confident of himself, good personality, developed good personality. That type of story.
Okay.
The poetry is the missed target. There was a storm, thunder and gales, and some gangsters, they were sort of misbehaving to a lady, and it was raining heavily, and her son came out in search of her. It is a poem, but it's a small story.
Yeah.
Then, in regret, he threw down his, no wishing thunder, what we call, I don't know in English. And actually, he wanted to punish the gangsters. English thunder thunder lightning, electricity current, scientifically. I don't know. He aimed to destroy the gangsters, but rather it hit the child died. That is in a poem I wrote like that, and they gave me second position with that poem. Dr. Tambudagidi, I became busy. Then MBBS lawyer, the Tholaga is rural area, Tamenong area, nearly 3.5 years. The Imphal and Dano can was it. When Tawalong hasn't been a queen of Piga, first time in the bargain of Piga Doctor Anita Tawala Tahanbaka, Hajalaga. Ramatam, I postgraduate, Yam Tamang, Matam Mang labor. The Quantanga, and a request over the gate, Tawala gate, Imphal Tahanbere. Adimatum the name and number and the Sakada information got present in the interview them your AMS New Delhi. The inner palms of the medicine never. Although Livoxi care put the whiter. That time the young doctors, senior and a junior residents, they were on strike. 3-4 months. So Wazamayam and casualty got from there, Matamata, the laser. Again, Makogi demands it, Makoi protest with demands it, yar, under condition that medicine the Matam 8 candidates got Kanbazi. Recruit those number any the loy hand away one toll of tea. When I have much in Hangalaba. The Masinga hand Pesa the budget of the Kahanda, the money. The medicine me and it was it. The AIMS to give pass or from my regular students side to give quota amatam amana army gumba rural the gasal government kinomini. I government nominee or hold.
Okay.
Side under when a thousand lumen. Other than when a government nominee or the Kangadam, the outcome. Nominee Nenadum can be, I'll get it very soon. Hire the Yaro and the Torga. Keralagi Satters in marks as 90% of Pisans. Kerala University things here. The military, the Gilapa, my and Kalamasu, Kogi Ozaiba, as the Mamon, Mao and the Kangara. I guess a Kaidi and Adam Tawai in no white and Adam. 1976
okay.
And Kogi postgraduate Tamba Hose. I like the day on Kale Tabuk Budi. Kogi clinician or I get interest Eva Hubutarian program. I wanted to be a writer all the time. I do Lorga was graduate Lorga told Brigade say own on the short story collection on phone. And the next year the novel of the phone.
Okay.
Already is a kind of the profession that involved over whole. I palms of Jamu, that's the one under them. Academic activities, my arms. I don't involve Today, I was Northeast yam senior ba mana is secretary o helle the president mo helle ana gi oina Manipur gi association gi the ENT surgeons association kaina otolaryngology the association of otolaryngologists of India ko otolaryngology is ENT hai otto is na ear laryngo is rhino otorhinolaryngology ko otto is na ear rhino is na nose ko rhinoceros skin nose laryngology is na throat to never the association yam all India ga so pediatric otolaryngologists of India na tawa so association nam la eastern zone gi adudi all India gi oina vice president go oil adagi eastern zone gi north east ga je president ga dum oil aduna academic papers form conference alaga paper pa ba ko ram tawre aduna kana je aina pamjaba writing je dum kaya involve to bungam draba konthang da retire tawram dai da gi de am hawra krai poetry ga hana yam phongam AIR gi lyricist oi bai je some sangsang kan de sei me ex some Ojajent Kumar na koi CCS school do ja oi rakpa koi oja maksu rakpa man nang si yu da na khara kain to de i ru bane da moina approve to bire ai gel lyrics na maram ta sum tha wadana aina lyrics to khara i rakpane na poetry na family oi ga don poetry han lyrics de I sei ma yang kha hai bire ko poetry de I sana dong khang ge phajate ado is novel even hena picture ba hai tare tholok pasi tholok po pothok se novel sing na phaje je dong khang ya novel om su re ibda ani novel ani su to the state akari Sahita Akademi award the state kala academy award ka lon phang
metelon da ibibra na tra
metelon nang ha to ne
metelon da okay
translation to them English da agi hanai translation di aina sai ba Sri Biren je ma yam phabu kavi yam phabu kavi ratna ka phangre Sahita Akademi Manipuri Sahita Parishad na pi ba khade wang mo keno ne ratna is kavi ratna ka phangge bane ma lai gidra ma ne bolam magi lai manga ji bolam ani to na translate to ne mai bolam do ma ya haraw he kanam ta to bi ya de to ni ha pu su to bi de poem amani ka I raga so jang ngam dre da ga na je le ga ma sum complain to ba ai to ge na de as kha to bi won to bi ne ade bolam ani ro phongam dai tha ni da nga ga da an le gi da bai wan ya no ai te ado mind to da ge novels in a bulk of works yam expansive web do idi in ga dum hoji pudama this will be my fourth and maybe my last khata ingam do suma novel am hoji
music work tawri
ere
kari theme
tang khai ma se khoi gi mai ming do kari ma pan da chalaga koi top sum ba yam to ba khoi gi sagol ban gi no gi do ne pramen jo no tai kari mai ming do
iche bina lakshmi
gi bina lakshmi je khoi gi no gi khoi gi anandi hoide class am han man mo ji debating ga yaur ko ne anandi je so ana mai to moi father ko bihari ko tamo bihari en ko rotary club ta am tenara ko the magi character gumbana heroine mo helaga social scientist gumba social service to no pm some koi khot to bugi international areas in the maze talk ka to United Nations organized to peace conference kum daga je talk to no pi am character some to laga Manipur gi problem ka du khara ha pa wari yam ta na ho na bai wan adone ai interest ho ji I know until luckily amaron dai medicine tam ho do yam adu ta ma dia chin na dum physician sing you am chill level koi mana sing Dr Viren am chin with lay idra Dr Prem Sana ke sampat ke sit lay si ma hoji ba ya ma tum chill li medicine ka tor ma ti I very ngam mo en khal le
sir se retired sahi karam bata taw ke
2004 ne taw dai voluntary retirement low ne before 2.5 years of my due death again.
Okay.
Talak bade ai mapan da ju chele Manipur lai khang amuk tar.
Oh, kari matang.
The usual thing going on in Manipur. Hoju mu kan hole hari. Ada yam disturb to bai. Yam da lai bai na rak tab. Hoju mu kan na hung re hari. Ngarang nan Dr Biasi mai da pom pok. Ngarang. Khoi ge thap thap na da yum lon mari rom da mai yum ga yum ga cha. I would retire to the Chang Toman Rojux. As Matam the 1993 died again a quay among the Torpumaya, 2004 died a Kang among Mapan as a little long the when I clinic Amahang Toram, the young Sikkim the Sikkim na Koroktan up. And of Mogi Sikkim Manipur Institute of Medical Sciences go with the ahal oza ahal ni mo na fara farga MCI recognition gi dong ta ko contractual basis ta dong oza far daw da mo na request mo ong sikim dong chalu ra
okay oza oina
adagi adagi jenem sa muk jenem si same problem recognize to no ba ong jenem to ra no sala adu lorga adu kan to ringa da Nepal la medical college anova private college ne araida moina pam le khoi nu pis ne ba radiology x-ray gi department se head college horok patagi ma namdan lai to ya de na moina yam pam ba ada lai yo je khoi nu pin ngam moi di khoi husband jo halo re ma than de Imphal le go pam le ngon do kan the me I was a writer all of them. I had already started writing. I don't know. I did the palm that later again and convinced some, I don't know, quickly just for MCI inspection. We don't take Yawi on it. From Yawi one, I thank him the glass okay, a low railways. And now for the yang. I don't want to know I did my later on the high, but I did my goodness from praise of the. On one condition, yes, this is what is it? If you make me director, I am ready to hire you. I am all enough. Yes, why not? Why not? The email and please do come and they shall look them over. Other than come to the last part. Tabak am sin banana the lotion was the second edition that I revised cut out. And Pari with the last 2-3 chapters in Jikara English construction guys. And the key edition is the name color.
I do a minor CG process in a minor hokiba. Translation works.
Translation works, I like to the Karapan money. Sahita Akademi in New Delhi the Lyricist Haidana Oza Kogan is the Sinava Manipur Manipuri governing body in Malaya member Kalaga Manipuri literature young Janba Adugi conveners in Oza Kogan the offer Toba Sahita Akademi is Topu Hana the no Moza Kogan Zoda idi Hanur out of Ivagi Pamazum Mukut cousin Nick Power. Mazi Masaga yam from exercise yam tormanel. Mazumani got in used to give Topu given metric gazi. Yam English yam power now. Other me oh Marie editorial Timam Tamsi and you'll be one of them. Yabraga now. So I you hate the Mayam Timor on Tory, I have one chapter here, hire. Yeah, haraure. In case I can do something, I love to na do hire. The yumda halaga practice some toiva. Some exercise to I will hike a run. Ahamada some kina some foam lab. I want to namni have confidence some lab. Other is my cocktail hore was a Kogan other parts low hydrogas.
Okay.
Other smile had the mouth on the smile had the talk over another easy rejector zala, them again a calais, as a guide. Easy. Besides, and they don't put hooks again, a color, madam. Tom told nearly 2 years.
2 years.
Nepal, the Taukan, the in Nepal, in the Potar, to the Taboxi lotion again. I was expecting I would have better time at Nepal, but I found I was so busy.
Oh.
Office ki met again among my laptop disturbance. I don't know. I last 3-4 chapters that my ramdres.
Ibadikaram kanda ayukum bata ibibra natraga id regular routine oina.
Yumda yukta tan ayamane. Nungdang usually programs is nungdin is kogi nukti Imphal yamrom the young literature from now remember arms. Every day is almost going on. I don't know. Look the hour is a dumb yogunba. I don't know. I want to hold a curry holder, no way line, Marimanga, Yoga, Curse no Naiva. Came the talk. I haven't done anything in it. I was in Nepal, the medical college. I was hatching out and Minchen will luck from a low from there.
Oh,
now the Lakun hand depositor insolvent and take up with Pasha Sudik and semester exam got a hand away of your satire management. Other Inakun likely Paraga entrance exam room the collect of the gi. Mama Papa Shapa United Nepal, India, and Pictal, a foreign country, Ceylon the Gizu, the gay. Malay island kind like that. They young like Muslim na young going to Malay island they love us. I don't know a far one out of the Saturday. Can't never say never do my house. Principal when director is the wilderness the Nepal the Loino Medical College High Institute Hargate director Hainabani, I call you director Institute Olakanda director principal Harambadak. Adimathata managing director, international director, kind of director Mang Sir director Dam Harale confused or an equip principal Hagia. Yeah, I don't mind anyway. Okay. Other literary activities is nil. Okay. In a Pamza Pamzan Rotary Club is the Tigi. Not in a layer. Some ton get the 10,000. The queen of Ibani, the lonely society until late. Doctors in the men practice Amton, doctors in the very analyze social life, later. Mazutal Lehare. In hands and in Imphal holding on the Hagel nearly 2 years. Quite Toga Haram to me chill. I see the resignation letters, mail in town.
Resignation and a corner of
other Hojukti, peaceful social literature to know social life. Yam
the Imphal the Kamina with social life. I literally was
amazing. It was an Ayamane. I don't know. Was somehow the Satas in Tambira Panina, my attitude, Mokogi, Payma, Peshansa, Puna, Hanabi, Gazaka, told them. Amani would them Yauzana do Ayamana in general. And Yano amazing me a Pabang after Ayamana, Manung the Woodicra, Honabi Association, Giki, Honabi Kara, politics, Kraton or Gazo. some worries have a corporate law gentleman now to writers
Okay.
and they say writers will never have Alzheimer's problem. Always my brain is in a dandelion. Me, I am a family. Social life, I don't live in now. Other than I was at the mother harmony, it's underlay, you know, pattern. Alzheimer's to meeting here. Matanda Tabak, a quaggy USA president of the cinema guy, actor guys or a cowboy guy, I'm sorry. Reagan. Within 3 months after his coming out from White House, he developed this Alzheimer's. Let's say the social life the cinema around the sanction grade. USA politics. I don't know, lonely feeling here who would give jail limit and they don't talk life in the Alzheimer's sham. And then Imada had a meet and the leg.
I did this, sir. Now, the key novels work theory, Carigino, sir, Nasina last origin and Harris.
Say he the I was hoping that I wish that I should die at the age of 70. Now I'm 76. So I know how this 6 years handle. I know Panjavadagi. Hello, Raga. Kagi, I'm Sonjuna. The Pianga Alzheimer's Kumba Torpose. I young Mahin and the young idea of an hour. How I know I don't know. I 70 years again. Koram German, who is 76 and
the Sergi writing Sigi inspirations. Kamina Kari the inspiration Pangbi.
Inspiration, the almost an aside. I have a quay brother and that yam. Some parapuda. The Asian writer winning was no horror crab. Creative writing, the writers in Makogi idea, Pusula, that what is shaming. The style of writing is Yam Maru. I pointing in it, Masagi style, I'm legend they are there. My other different. Waitava. Different Oibangam Masagi style and developed on the writers in the Ayamana Cantogale Karihane some writer in a legal level to my yam labor. Is writing at even European writing the Americans in work to Sumbayam lay. Aduga Amana Quagi cannot I have a quick cousin, the Koimana, buzzing you, Tina school gives friends, other friends at Tina, the brother and the cousins, the me, Mangam, Kukotri, Amale, Koji cinema, the army, the boxing, Yamuka Yam Salami, the Koi and Clear Tomba, my Mapa, the first secretary of Manipur, Maharaji, private secretary or Madagi. Government of India, Local Matunda, Secretary to Kwayana, Secretary, or you, Maga, Tonko Poko, Sarasan Purtagi, Canonic cookie, Nema, Horpon the Congress, New Lamul and the Lerambane. Moiniji, Secretary, were given there. The Maimasan of Pajamata. Moy Ani Poputagi Mayamazi, Lake, they were going on at the Layam Pub, Calcutta, coming in the game. The Mazi sports are very young, Paramatagi, Moy Mana. The Luna told Mayam was late of the Matanda. I heard the Kanai car got Hondi. The son of a gam the Yaw with Rivera, not told the Mazi literature certain novel. Man, piece of ping in the Iban is a Maruina novel, ship power to power. My Inakun in the man like Ajam, Layo. Say that, but they say. Gramophone records as I'm 20 late. So we say no why but the treasure now was. Other I want some like popcorn loan, Margaret in a buggy inspiration to young Canalay height. The even in Ecola, who did the Yauri, my politics are some around.
Okay.
I don't know inspiration.
aduga huziki khamba thoibi se aina khamba thoibi ki matang se kitang sanjarake khoina sum kai hai tare mitai lon se pa ba thok ta bati na te thoi thoga su yam fluent oina chatta bado aduda khamba thoibi se khoi mana pa bi original se aduga pa ba sita ta badi yam ngai ra aina su muk paning ba adu matam de na ina sir ki translation se lei yana khangja bade ki copy ma phangjare
so great
huje pa badi loidri aduga adum aina ayukum bada weekend gi da hek pa ba mayam interest adum yam na utle akhoi gi ain sum yeng bada manipur gi books de adum mapan da leba akhoi gum ba hai tare ko akhoi interest le raga phang ba sida online gum da kya phang da ba hai tare sigum ba gi venue di
lady yam lay bana hai ba do akhoi literature room da kaya yaubi da me mo akhoi manipur gi history gum ba kai ga de yam net ta yam
adu budi le
da akhoi isa gum akhoi interest logjaba na ai isa gi pot si koina khara hapiu ga na har ira la dom tor kan aina jo haru da ba mi taina sumai tau jira ka na kana suggest to birak ta bari ai khara self conscious ai pot da ma yam ga haru kholu ju
mayam na dum hangak pa sida aina khan ba aina Esther gi lyricist second edition la kan da koina online da mina order to bagi opportunity to piradi yam line accessible oi bagi ama aina
kanogi Cambridge na tabato university le kare yes ke Howard ka Cambridge da copy moi library da copy ma tha ro moi na ate like English ta even le de tharu ka na yes ha ya hu ju ta ki Sri Viren gi walk to zain tha ge kan khalam bana Manipur dagi purple like ani khatam ta le ma enke binodi gi na nom ibi ba enke binodi na kedo we phom bi no yam cheram nang standard yo roi ai adam phajo like to krai translate to bi ro na macha jing amana ibi ni haibra adu lei ga na mo hai de librarian dana ada khare yam pa me Manipur
so kya like ta ba
like so kya like ta ba Manipur ju khang bi ra me mo
aina matang sida sir da agi project ama tang introduce to zage sigi projects aina 1001 thagachari aina ko to agi main goal sina aina khangjabada mayam interview tawruba kholuba sida khoi masen se kitang bi khangna raga yam khangdaba especially khoi younger crowd mapan daga chakhiba ko adu haira kanda aduna local Manipur gi role model si henkatna bagi tamakta aina mi listing amaga amase unara kanda moina kanada ge inspiration phangi kanabu thagat ningi adu phungto khan bagi program na sise
yam phajabo
adagi amarom da namu khoi gi society da yenga kana khoi gi tang sidha bana henba duga koina thagat bagi kenase practice hai tare ko gratitude ki practice si aina kitang henka thaneng ba duga lyric atai paru budasu gratitude si akoina practice tawraga di mi oina khoi se chauthokpa duga grow tawi kaina duga busu kitang engon da idea knowledge du phangbuta ge aina si project sa how dok sa given the hujik mi kun kutra de yaudre adu maina yauzare the mayamna adum nominate tawraga khoina thagachari ena khoi card se khoina participant adum mamam piraga tawjabane
good work young good kana the WhatsApp to ga thagat to the issue 100 thanks adu madam no the thank you have me mari the minimum me mari thank you how you guys have young kan mapang me sing young kan thagan da re
masigi akoina amuk kana ba mana kana nomna phongtorok pa kanda akoina khangda mi du so akoina mu khangyadan ada ina ngasi se sir da si se yaubiu aduga sir na kai haitare akoi ki aina program si ta tawjari se akoi ki personal level da sir na yamna ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯟꯒꯠꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯁꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤꯗꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯟꯒꯠꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯁꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯥꯁꯇꯅ ꯒ꯭ꯂꯣꯕꯦꯜ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯁꯔꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯗ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯁꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ
ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯒ꯭ꯂꯣꯕꯦꯜ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯔꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯗꯣ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯀꯥꯎ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯁꯗꯟꯂꯤ
ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯕꯤꯅꯥꯂꯛꯁꯃꯤ
ꯕꯤꯅꯥꯂꯛꯁꯃꯤꯒ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯃꯣꯍꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯌꯨ ꯀꯦꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯔꯥꯏꯇꯔ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯏꯕꯅꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯤꯖꯤꯟꯒꯥꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯊꯤꯑꯣꯔꯤ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯑꯐ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯥꯗ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯣꯗꯁ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯑꯕ ꯑꯐ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯥꯁꯦ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯊꯛꯄ ꯐꯪꯉꯛꯇꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯑꯣꯔꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯥꯎꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯌꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯔꯗꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯣꯗꯁꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁꯀꯤ ꯀꯣꯔꯤꯗꯣꯔ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯒ ꯆꯠꯈꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯆꯤꯠ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯗꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯑꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯁ ꯕꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯖ ꯑꯦ ꯕꯤꯛ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯂꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯔꯤ ꯇꯧ ꯊꯝꯃꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯁꯤꯃ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯄꯥꯔꯒ ꯃꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁꯇ ꯁꯟꯗꯦ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯛ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯏꯕꯥꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯣꯟꯗꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯣꯡꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯅꯁꯨ ꯔꯤꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯋꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯤꯑꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯇꯤꯟꯅꯔ ꯅꯦꯄꯥꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯨꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯆꯤꯟꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯊꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯨꯝꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯃ I would love to send one to him.
Okay, sure.
And Binalakshmi, whether she knows me or not, but she will remember if I mention my daughter's names too. My machi ahan na Shillongda pathologist ne ekoi satri. Masina ekoi eldest daughter gi koi Anandi gi machi gi classmate ne. Aduna ekoi bu khangmu de dum khangmiramgane adam kaya personally individually kaya khanadaba adamangond I would love to send one to her.
Adu sir Manipur da leiba giti Manipur ki level da haitare
Manipur ki level the literature gi me damadam nei egeju khara luna tinazaba khanak na tinazaba ani ahum lai adugi koigi aigi khamuthugi phongmure yam phajana haibigiba writer neoma ma de Radha Kumar magi forward am here in like to that matamda ma se art and culture gi jo commissioner oramme mana chief guest oi him ne aba mamonda jo I would love to give one to him too.
Okay yam ngai adaki last kina akoi ki sir gi personal gi life hai tar da mi budi cha de mayam su le ram gane to is ama khangkalaga
kind of I don't know I the pinning ba I would love to give one to my wife.
Sir gi wife se kamaina una gi bana to
her classmate ne Dibrugarh da medical college da some friendship da gi one some long ta ba hai dar.
Okay.
We did not have that first love at first sight.
Okay.
We became कोई जे practical group ta tamina rakte ab कोई जे mengi alphabetical order re कोई जे sing matam sing oi bane na कोई जे la group a b c gi matam na khat dor कोई last ga dai ta daba moizen kharbon ne ke na hu ne ab moizen mayai oi gi group ta leiba adu pharmacology gi kana da somehow the matam da first MBBS yam fail oi koi matam da oja jing ji phat khid ja na matam du gi oja mi fail oi maru na Bengal ga Assam je yam phatte ba ma se likna pi na mi je tangkhai amarom le ho first MBBS ki lan to hurdle ji da masi gi hurdle ji bu lan to de doctor oi soidre hai na doctor oi ngam na tona rei me yam je first MBBS ki hoi aham ba hurdle ji da yam fail oi na ba the group se tamina re ab third year kar khudu matam da sahi ani chang me first hodi sahi am lo shal da first MBBS koi sahi ani chang tamam ada khoi gi rabbit ta koi chloroform thava ta ether thava ge practical am tawba areida table je mai ona moi ni ema som da ko ni ema target rabbit se de ko na ether yaw ko no ma se upsal ga one run doine thaina na se sia thava de toram na ba da madu gi practical tawba da mai usi je ko atai koi uchi me ya fa fa ngala hogun na re gya da mai da hogun ya da ma ya wa je da kam da da gi sum lagna boy kari wa sun to le sun khana ri na to le ja all right adu ge english alternative lo boy koi first me base he ho da gi pre medical da gi ha ta pre medical course ha ba je koi base ho do pu yam to pre university one course 1 year course ko na ho do kin Manipur da the pre medical in learn ko na ho do e dagi MBBS course 5 years tamaga 50 years 1 year sum tam ko na only 6 months ko junior residency 6 months sidam tor me internship do ko matam da tamana 4.5 years tamaga 1 year full 1 year internship practical he ana be wars as ana ba yang we thau se khoi chahi ama hengal lagat khoi matam dai ju paisa ju khari hengal phane am saw hengal ke hana free da paisa ga piram de dibrugar da khoi matam da gi tham da cham yang khai phang ne internship course da hana de adagi senior chhatra ma as protest ka march ka taw yang strike ka taw matung da khoi na phang badi lucky oi de khoi gi moi na phang na loi gram
all right yam ngai sir na sikum ba share taw bi sir ge site ta gi any topic hai ga try any ngang ba mayam da share taw ba lei bi bra
ai di jat ki association yam yawram na adugum da yang ngang he hang se su isai bram da seminar am taw dor ya da session amada na moderator oyo ha session amada na topic amada ngango hai moina ngonda ngangan ningi ji Manipur gi matam isai ko adhunik ka haram do ji matam isai modern song hai tara ko Manipuri modern song ji karamba bu modern song hai doi no kayam changsan na Manipuri gi character yaure hojik simaru ina zat ki nang hafta sana isai je western gi kana gomba yam dai dai man western gi music makal da
western influence yam la ba
adu hafta sangna khalak pa adu gi hana tawrambana hindi gi cinema isai hafta na hana tamu par na hor je da dai ne adu marakta Manipuri modern song tarak pasidagi kayam kuina for example Assamese song am ta se Assamese isai ne je ta khangya ba Bengali isai ama khong ta Bengali isai ne je ta adu mai na Manipuri isai am ta da Manipuri isai adim kana umon marol khangda ju khoi Bengali khar khang ju yamon na khangda ju Bengali isai ne tune nei kari ge ta khangya ba Assamese na moi bihu style da moi isai ama bihu style khar yaung ne adana aina yam hai ge khoi folk khar hap phena khar de yam di tor khar na de yam di tor bo cinema gi the folk machet anga hap the machet hap do mo phagi ta khitang folk ki skeleton nama hap ga de ma nice tau tam ne the western musical instruments khar hap san ta ne hai ge an khal okay khoi gi India gi sei je Shankar kari koi sitar khomba Ravi Shankar ya da no ming je sat ka ya hage to je fat ka bra holo Ravi Shankar na Hollywood ta found in India hojiti English movie je background music as Indian sitar tabla ga yam yaura de koi gi Indian raga je adana khong no so mi ka na mo yam pam to ra adu mai na koi ju smai to koi first stepping board in Mumbai oi ta me ai even the editorial am ji even the pan gra Ravi Shankar na Hollywood ta taruba dum haina Manipuri gi isai director ni khangde singer ni khangde Mumbai gi platform se dang tang Mumbai gi market se dang tang penetrate to na khoi bi sai am tang yan popular an ngam de Manipuri sai yam kono le ga do ba ka de haina yan perspective yam sound le ga do musicologist na prithvi do ji thinai je isai ama sem na sur pa na hon of the leshal lagtre isai millions isai je sangna ram na you don't know what different over now je pa mayam pam na je ado Manipur gi isai maru na khoi Manipur folk song je ta de ta ngau do ba western kamun ga yam pam go do yam yaw re ba exposure what pa gi tau ba ado tau gi har su air reman la to khoi gi folk singer singang khada gi ado mami ngam gaw re bedabati ga se loktaw maya ga piano ga putho ga recording ga taw adu ga taw je ma khoi som da gi han response hata response gara wat pa khot pa mo yan thawa yaw na ga yaw na ngam to khoi som gi lifestyle na khang de natraga te other matters so ya na tan da bagum me taw gi ba khoi artist ka se aduna ne khal
ai de lakta badi na te opportunity se la e keep up taw bangam da ba
air man jo musicologist all of na music that no sur no tune thire ine ma cinema da kai da hapsan na ba ado makha ta na som da gi khata kari haita ko interest ne khang de thawai yaw boy do khitang utra ga mo ja chu they belong to the big rivers or big water so khoi ji tu en macha khongban de chen wi singum ne khoi de ado khitang the moin pa mai de khar different khongban gi chen wi sing do pa mai ne adu mai na rotary gi de yang ngang khre yang ngam orator ahi badi natte adu tanja tawdana khoi gi leadership sum khar lawru da ai ja duna wa ngam bu maru ne khoi gi academic ki ENT gi conferencing da ya ngang kana Mumbai Madras Kolkata daga
dagi roi batai na ima ki site gi question le di ba
khoi isanu pi tombi man oja da tuition dagi ne yum di lakhre na
oh okay
isanu pi tombi ma sma science lo gi bane oja na tam kam do
akhoi ma de kenon Manipuri literature
oja do
akhoi baba
tuition torom bana to
zoology
chum zoology akhoi isanu pi tombi do ma sitamgi ina thilama lerik machan sibo car ne tor lawo mu lak tor
okay sir gi akhoi yam experience laire do akhoi gi viewer hai batare do akhoi tasu life ki experience mayam sir na legi batuda akhoi the message hai ga tra paukta hai ga tra adum tang ama bibi
aibo haijo determination is a very important thing aije determination yaw do khara high the float to right to chakal ENT tamu ren to thoga in pam du ko thi de Banaras ne khang de ama chalaga aduma yam tonai ba chahi mari manga ga chan ngai ga mathang university me yam chala parikha tharaga mana pam du subject da tamakpu yam yaw re aham hono ai de amtang chakhib da moina offer to loksan ba sigum ba jai to gola ai hoji to gyan da determination ne yan maru ai
de amma da fail hoira ga so aina pam ka di determination da yaw na tai try to ga ba
aina pam jo do pham de gai hono ba mi jing da na mai pa an ka number 1 number 2 da khoi nature gi ai khoi na haiba kuno de khoi hindi da harga kari satyam shivam sundaram jemo chumbu je leitren khalle khoi achumba phajaba adagi puksel tingba hai tare Satyam majina truth niko. Ade Shivam majina hoji virtue aigadra. Sundaram na beauty. Truth, virtue and beauty. Om jida chena thajaba me or kadi. Saidam ku koi world prithvi jesu mami ha to or kadi yam no world am orangan and there will be peace and there will not be much of this war fights and political fights even. I don't know. I na to thabak si lale khanga de adu yarage to no khonna ba I masana masabu minam draba
self realized or
self realized or tauradam na da man realized to be matungina asi tawja phabu oiro de khallaga de tawdaba madu tawra de near god godliness to mo quality yar bone amonda ado maina tawhanangi prithvi fumba da madu da nungai ba world do oigadra ai thandagi thajabe wani ko ana ai dharma am to sabsana chatte khoigi hongna bi khoi imung jing yamna orthodox hoibo imung khoi family khoi father hoi uncle hoi je
okay
do I
personally the religious
yam religious oi de adu ai
spiritual
dharma jing de yauri ba khar afa pau da sin da yam adugum do adugum lokhalla inje
okay
ai Hindu ne na pong de Christian jo neng de I never want to belong to any religion. I fatwa to kai no religion na mi enmity pure
purpose yawi
yam boju yam kono gi United Nations na khwai am pai khat pu thabak se juki kono tori ba Palestine ga Israel kari bank yam haidai na se khana is billions and billions of dollars country mein amna thadari besha this area has become a kari hane terrorist platform oil no khoina moje Jew mein amna amo halak pasida Bible gi maduna mo Jews will amo halak kan no lam moje loina Muslims in tan khai bi duna maro ne Egyptian in tan khai bi duna moi maram de thado chen ro ba using je mayum the moi only and the kaya pang de bane apan thokre de kana Einstein Jew ne the Cecil de Meliga cinema 10 commandments ka nam banner ka nam ba director producer Jew ne ba adu moi je koi maitai ju khar di yaw ne kok se using je kok yam yaw ya to moi unity khoi maitai de unity punjan wa je hito Mathan de dum yam individual
at the personal level the yamna excel tauba unite tawraga
adu moina ain samta da Shylock the Jew ga in tamen Shakespeare gi do adu mokhoi je hoji Shylock ko mangak ta ne ba mokhoi maram da de paisa puthok pusin gum khoi gi trade and commerce nor ga amaga mukhai na bi jam taw ye ain samta mapan thokra ga de talent se mo yam ita leibudo aduna moje ankma makhalam khoi DNA na study ga tawrabani using gi
yam ngai the sir daina aigi shozi loisalak pada aigi side gi hai taraina sir daina thagat sab uchari especially khamba thogi ki translation da aina